Yes, oh my gosh, do y'all see me? As you can see, I've been going for a very long time and, within a good reason. I definitely am pregnant, so that's why my face looks a lot fuller now and I have the belly and everything like that. But, we're going to go ahead and get straight into this wig. So this wig is from West Kids, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. When I pulled it out of the box and I saw how full and fluffy it is, like even just for it to be 180% density, I was like, no way. Like, this wig kind of like took me by surprise. I done had a lot of wigs. I done worked with a lot of companies, but I love me some West Kiss. At first I was like, okay, I love their curly hair, but no, this hair is fire. I don't know if it's just something about like maybe the silkiness or the flowiness of hair, but this just it did it for me. So this is going to be like a very quick kind of like install tutorial, because you guys know how I install my wigs. If you want an in-depth tutorial, you can go back a few videos back, because I kind of did a similar look, but this video isn't more so focused about the install. It's more so focused about the baby hairs and the curls and the wigs and the layers, and we're really going to get into it. So as you can see, it's already giving scalp every time. That's what we do. Like, that's just the way that we go. It's been kind of hard to do my hair with me being pregnant and just being more tired and just not having as much energy as I usually would. So I kind of have slowed down a lot with installing wigs in my hair. Honestly, I feel like I'm pretty much 6 months pregnant, so I probably had like 2 wigs on my head. Probably 2 wigs when the first wig was when I first found out, and then this wig. So it's been a lot, y'all. It's been a complete, I really thought, I was like, okay, I'm gonna bust out videos and I'm gonna wear my hair in a wig, and this baby is like, no, you need to be free. Like, your hair needs to just, I don't know. I don't know. But I did switch up my glue a little bit. I ordered this glue from this girl in the UK. I don't really know her name, but the glue is called Better Than Milk Glue. And I know she's like based in the UK, but I think she's like also in Atlanta or something like that. I don't know. But y'all, this glue is fire. Like, it's fire. I was like, no way. Like, there's no way that this glue is that good. I tried to take this wig off and I was so irritated because I could not get it off. Usually I could peel my wigs off. I was not able to peel this wig off. But yeah, as y'all can see, I'm moving pretty fast. This lace is, y'all see it. This lace is just everything. Like, that's just the bottom line of it. So I'm gonna just come back when, I start doing the whole, the good part. Matter of fact, I got a question. So I was genuinely thinking about maybe like making another channel, because I want to share more parts of my life. Like, I wanted to share like the pregnancy and, just more family, girl, women. I just want to share more stuff like that. So I was thinking about making another channel. If you guys would be interested in something like that, definitely let me know, because I'm seriously thinking about doing it. Like, I really think that'd be a good move for me, and I don't know, maybe just talk to you guys. And yeah, my life is just a whirlwind right now. When I tell you, we have so much going on, like from me starting a new career, then having to pull back and continue doing hair, and then the baby, and yeah, it's been a lot. But your girl was doing great, doing good. I'm healthy, baby's healthy, we're doing great. And yeah, just look forward to more content. I just need to get more energy. I have slowed down with working, like my clients and stuff like that, because it's been a hassle, but whatever. So this is the good part. As y'all can see, this razor was definitely not doing it for me, but as y'all can see, I use a razor to cut my baby hairs. I use a razor, and I use the scissors as well. But I use the razor initially to kind of like, get it how I want to. And I always cut my baby hairs at a diagonal angle. I think that's what I think I'm saying it right. But yeah, you guys pretty much get the concept. I'm going to be trying some different baby hair methods soon, simply because I don't know, like, I love being able to just wake up and go and my baby hairs are already done. But I kind of want to try more of like a fluffy look, more of a wispy look, more natural look. I don't know. Sometimes I just like switching my baby hairstyle up. So that's coming very soon whenever I get the energy to put back on a wig. But you know what? I have been wearing more natural hairstyles too. So I'll get into that more as well. But for now, we're going to stick to this What's Kiss wig. And as y'all can see, honestly, seriously, what lace? Like, ever since I started wearing HD wigs, I have not wanted to go back to transparent wigs. Like, there's no comparison at all, no matter what texture. Now, I have find that HD wigs, they do tend to get like dirtier faster, but the overall look of it is just immaculate. Like, definitely prefer it. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side, of course, at an angle with the dull razor. But we're going to get into it, and you guys will start seeing me doing like the layers and the cutting of the hair shortly, actually here. So the first thing I do is I pull from behind my ear, pull that hair forward, and I cut at an angle. Then I pull that hair up and cut at an angle as well. So I more so do more face framing layers in the front of my head. On my clients, of course, I can do way more because I can see behind their head and whatnot. But on my head, I kind of do what I can and, just go down at an angle. This is going to create more volume and body in your curls. And sometimes I curl my hair a little bit different from how I curl my clients' hair, just because it's a little bit more tedious to curl my hair in the way that I curl their hair. But I mean, it still comes out very cute. So the same thing that you did on one side, you're going to do on the other side, pretty much. So initially, like what I would do, y'all, I would flat iron my curls, but now I have a new curling iron, and I'll be introducing y'all to her very soon because honestly, I love it. I got some new tools. At first, I was one of those people who'd be like, okay, well, I mean, tools matter, but like at the end of the day, like it's not that really that big of a deal. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. Like the curling iron that I have now, it just makes it so much better. The curls just, I don't know. Like, whether you pin them or not, they just look so much better. So I'm pretty much going to go through my hair, curl my hair, because I already, like, pre-layered it. But then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to layer it again. You see how shiny it is? It just gives every single time. And I always curl going away from my face. Every time I do my own curls, I always curl going away from my face. And I curl with my kind of like with the hair going towards the front of the curling iron instead of the cord. I don't know if that makes sense, but hopefully it does. But as this video is coming to an end, y'all, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, just say hey to your girl. I've been chilling. I'm pretty chill, but yeah, don't forget to do that. And like I said before, I'm going to go back and I'm going to layer a little bit more. It's not really much to do, but just to get it to fall exactly where I would like for it to fall. And as you can see, it's definitely is giving. It's giving. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. If I should make another channel, definitely let me know. I think you guys will probably I don't know. I think I might like sharing a little bit more of personal things about me.